Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the iPhone. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the smart band. Okay, before we start, if you want to receive the notifications on your smart band needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Huawei Health application to send the notifications to our watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, let's scroll down, find the list of apps on your iPhone, installed on your iPhone. It's at the bottom of the settings page. And on this list, find the Huawei Health. Tap on it. Here, make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Then tap on notifications and make sure that the allow notifications is also enabled. Okay, once you're done, you can go back to the settings, scroll all the way up, tap on Bluetooth option, find the Huawei Band 7 on the list of my devices, tap on the info icon next to it, and make sure that the share system notification option is enabled. Okay. Now we can open the Huawei Health application on our iPhone, tap on devices, select our Huawei Band 7 from the list, wait until it's done connecting. Now we can scroll down, tap on notifications, and here we can enable or disable the notifications by tapping on the switch. You can also enable and disable the notifications for specific apps, as you can see, like Messages, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, and Gmail. And if you want to receive the notifications from different apps that are not on this list right here, make sure that the other option is enabled. Okay, so once you enable the notifications, you should be able to receive them. So I'm just gonna send myself a message on Discord. I didn't receive it on my iPhone, so maybe let's open the Discord, minimize it, and try again. Okay, let's enable the do not disturb and then disable it. Maybe this will fix it. Oh, we started getting notifications now. Okay, so as you can see, we have the notification on our iPhone. For some reason, they didn't want to pop up, but now they are right here. So we can open the notifications center. I believe it's like this, yes. And you can see the notifications. Now, if we recap the screen on our smart band, swipe up on the screen. From the bottom of the screen, you should see the notification menu. And here we have our notifications. So it's working. You can receive the notifications on your smart band. And you can tap on them to read them. You can clear them by tapping on the pen icon right here, like that. And basically, that's how you enable the phone notifications for the smart band on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.